An AI tech pack generator turns a product idea into a factory-ready file, automatically. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how an AI tech pack generator works using Genpire to go from one sentence to specs, flat sketches, and a bill of materials. It starts with your input. Instead of drawing flats in Illustrator for hours, you describe your product in plain English. The AI reads 3 signals: what it is, who it's for, and what makes it different. Hit Create, and the AI generates your product visuals, front, back, and side. This is the model doing in seconds what used to take a designer a day. Then it builds the tech pack: measurement tables, construction notes, materials, and a bill of materials. 9 factory-ready sections. You can edit any value inline. And here's what most tools don't do. It connects you to factories. Genpire matches your product to manufacturers and lets you send a quote request with the tech pack attached. So that's how an AI tech pack generator works: input, generation, tech pack, and factory match. One workflow, idea to production. See it for yourself at genpire.com.